Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Make a wish.
Guys, ito na yung house namin. We're going to leave this house. So guys, ito na yung mga pagkain ko guys. Andito na. Nandyan na lahat. Ibibigay. I'm going to give this to my friend Zulaika. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look our house. How mess our house. My magnet. I need to put my magnet in my bag so I can put it here. This is for my friend Jane. Yes. So I really hope so that the husband of Jane gonna pick up this stuff. And then this one, all foods baking for my baking. I felt really sad about giving this because but I don't have choice. This one, everything is food there here. So this is another luggage, number 2 luggage. I'm already done my luggage. I already packed my stuff. This is my stuff. Rest of this gonna give to my friend. 2 free luggages. Luggage of my husband. It doesn't finish. Here is, unfortunately, this is nice house. It's small house, but the humidity will kill you. Their shoes, my shoes are already packed. Yes. Look, everything is packed. Everything is already in my luggage. My shoes. And here is the view at the terrace. Center there. I like this house. It's nice, it's modern. Problem is the humidity will kill you up to 75%. This TV, I think we're gonna give to Zuleika or Bruno. Humidifier. The humidifier will give also to Zuleika, our steamer, and my books, cooking books, gonna give to Zuleika as well. What more? We still have lots of stuff here. I'll show you. Completely mess. It's so difficult. And heater. Here, winter coat here. Yeah, winter coat. I don't know what's inside here. Bags everywhere. And there. Some of the stuff here as well. So stressed, guys, to change house. Welcome to the house. Messy house. Look. So This house remind me, I was doing live streaming here almost every day for 2-3 weeks, and it's sad. It's sad to leave this house. We stay here from December 8 up to August 17, guys. So buy house, and then when we go back to Lecce, Italy, I'm going to unbox what's inside on my luggages, okay? So, mga plato, ayan. Ibibigay ko ito kay Jane at saka kay Lisley at saka Marfe. Ito. Yan. Ito naman, ito namang machine, coffee machine. Very, very good for coffee machine. This one, bibigyan namin kay Bruno Leone. Bruno. And some of the plates for the colleague of my husband. And couple of this for my friend. Yan. Ito. Good luck. And yan, mga plato na yan. At saka yung nandyan pa. Ayan. Break, guys. I'm in the terrace eating Doritos na ibigay ko na. I'm already given the stuff to Jane, Marife, and Lisley. I don't care. I'm eating Doritos. I'm in the terrace in the house. Yeah. Dami pa, guys, dami, sobra. Old house. Bye. Bye. It's our old house. Bye. Bye, and it's bloody cold. This is the Aveiro, guys. We also eat here every Sunday. That one, and they are very good. And grilled lamb.
Semplicemente spostato da una parte all'altra, no, come se si cambiava un tratto, quindi devi pagare più il 2021, e certo al mese nel 2021, cioè, ma non c'è nessuno a cui lo puoi, cioè, adesso mi metto a cercare gente, dopo domani vado via, allora facciamo bene. Io portavo il coso, il router, quello sta fuori, sta aggiunto, il router è un cazzo, intanto il...
It's finished. This building is done. Wow. For here, 7 months. Today is August 12. August 12. Look at me. Scarf, jacket, bloody cold, bloody fucking cold here in Aveiro. I'm so glad that I go away. It's nice. Look at the streets, beautiful, clean. I'm in the city hall. Here is the church, City Hall. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here is the theater, Aveiro. And a while ago I show you my house there, that way. So let's go.
Se vuoi mattina vuoi fare, poi in caso lascio.
Cuando estábamos con Naiyak, estábamos se llamaba.
Quello che c'aveva sinceramente non andiamo?
Tagay, puslan ng way nagmahal.
Ah, di fa il contrario, lupo TikTok.
Tuyok-tuyok po na siya. How would I drink? So guys, I know it's nonsense, but I'm so thankful and so happy to share you what's my daily vlogs is all about. So if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, Ellen Traveling Kitchen, Ellen's Vlog, the creator of Ellen Ginayon, do the honor subscribing and then with the bell notification if you wanted to be updated on my coming vlogs. So thank you so much, and mega shout out to 1970s Tiger. Thank you. Bye bye guys.